This is Amazon's new Fire TV Stick Lite. It comes in at $30 and I'm going to show you if you should buy it or not. So it comes in at 1GB DDR4 RAM. The video quality is at 1080p and it supports HDR, Hdr10 and Hdr10 Plus. It has 8GB of storage, quad-core processor, optical Amazon Ethernet adapter, and it also has a voice assistant. This does not have any audio controls or a power on and off switch, unlike the 4K and the normal Fire TV Stick. What I really like about this device is that it's extremely portable and very compact. You can just plug and play and you can do it anywhere. So if you're going to a hotel, you can make a non-smart TV smart instantly, which is really cool. You can stream hundreds of thousands of different shows and movies. There's up to 500,000 and it's just really amazing. It is mainly made out of 50% polycarbonate and 20% recycled materials. It has a low power mode, so if you have an Xbox or a PS4 and you're doing content on there, this is way better and energy efficient, which is really, really good nowadays. And I've been using it for about 24 hours and I definitely love it. Compared to the 4K TV stick, it is a little bit, you're missing a ton of features, but for the price, for the original price, it is definitely worth it. So if you have a kid or a teenager and they have their own TV in the room, or if you have your own TV in your room, so if you want to make a non-smart TV or a monitor smart, you can just plug this in and you'll be good to go. Definitely good for Christmas presents, stocking stuffer for sure, or just anything in general. Definitely check this out in the link in the description. Without further ado, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, of course, to subscribe for more. See you in the next one.